Napag-isisin lang po. Yes. That is ice cream. Classic yan. Classic. Ay, mag-deliver po kayo sa amin. Ito po yung bayad. Wait lang po. Yan, uwi na kami. May kupet kami. Let's go now. You want me to open it? But you don't eat rice pa eh. Later na lang, later. Lo, later. Hindi ka pa nag-breakfast.
Okay?
Later, please. Oh. Don't run. Don't run. Ay, no, it's dirty. Oh. Can I see? Oh, it's dirty. Let's go na. Let's go. We're going home na. Tapos na yung utos sa amin. Meron kaming sobra. Nibili namin. Gusto niya na kagad buksan. Pero di pa siya kumakain. Later. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going home. Oops. Hop. There's a dog under. What happened? Let's go na. We're going home na. Oh, I know. You have a boo-boo? Yes. Itchy, ouch. Can you help me? Hindi niya talaga makakalimutan. I-open na daw ang wafer. Later. Come on. We're heading home. Ayaw na tuloy maglakad. Kasi gusto niya i-open na yung wafer. Hindi pa nga siya kumakain ng rice. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Welcome to the vlog. Come on. Welcome. Wow.
Wow.
The sky is not too clear, but have a sun rays. So hot. Dito na kami sa aming bahay. Kakain na siya. Bye. Thanks for watching.